Hey guys, it's Noah, and today we're going to be unboxing my brand new Poly Voyager 4310 UC headset. This is actually replacing my Poly Voyager Legend 50M, which many of you probably saw me unbox here on my channel just not that long ago. Now, I know some of you might be wondering why I decided to switch, so let's talk about that before we jump into the unboxing. When I first reviewed the Voyager Legend 50M, I honestly had a great experience with it. In fact, someone even commented on my video asking if I had experienced any volume issues. At the time, my answer was no, I hadn't run into any problems. But over the past week, that unfortunately changed. During my shifts working from home, I started noticing that retailers were having a difficult time hearing me clearly, and at the same time, I was also having trouble hearing them. Since my job relies heavily on communication throughout the day, I needed something that would provide a more reliable experience. That's what led me to the Poly Voyager 4310 UC. Instead of a single ear Bluetooth headset, I'm now moving to a one-sided over-ear headset, which would provide better audio quality, improved microphone performance, and overall greater comfort during those long work shifts. This version also includes the charging stand, which I'm really excited about because it'll make keeping the headset charged and ready to go much easier. So with all that being said, let's open it up and see exactly what comes in the box. So right out of the box, you get the pamphlet with the control as well as the charging dock and the headset. Now this is a mono headset, meaning that the speaker is only on one side, so that you are able to hear your surroundings. Now, as you can see, I am fiddling around with the microphone because to me it didn't seem high quality for the amount of money that this headset is going for. I wasn't expecting the microphone to actually bend like that. And on the side of the headset, you have your controls to turn it on and off and to also connect it to Bluetooth if needed. You also have a charging port there as well. Moving on over to the dongle, if your work computer does not have access to Bluetooth and if it is disabled, this dongle is what you are going to connect the headset to, which should automatically be connected out of the box. Okay, so let's go over some of the features. So this is a UC certified headset, making it great for platforms like Microsoft Teams, Zoom, and other communication software. Since it's a single ear design, I can still hear what's happening around me while remaining focused on my calls. The noise canceling microphone is designed to reduce background noise, helping customers hear my voice more clearly. One feature I am really excited about is the dedicated charging stand. Instead of plugging the headset in every time when I'm done using it, I can simply place it on the dock and it's always ready for my next shift. For someone working full-time at home like I do, convenience like that makes a big difference. Overall, I am really excited to start using the Poly Voyager 4310 UC. I'm hoping this headset solves the audio issues I experienced with my previous headset and provides clearer conversations for both myself and the customers I'm speaking with every day. So if you'd like to see a full long-term review, let me know down in the comments below. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please make sure to like and subscribe as well as hit the bell notification so you get notified every time I post a brand new video. Also, my socials are linked down below in my link tree in the description box below. Continue to spread positivity and I will see you all in the next one.